Daily use English vocabulary for kids. Question answer for beginners. Let's start the topic. Whose is this? Whose is this? It's our. It's our. Whose is this? Whose is this? He is a teacher. He is a teacher. What's your job? What's your job? I am a student. I am a student. Who are you? Who are you? I am Rose. I am Rose. What happened? What happened? I lost my ring. I lost my ring. How to go? How to go? Go by bus. Go by bus. How to start? How to start? Start with grammar. Start with grammar. Did you pass? Did you pass? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. How tall are you? How tall are you? I am 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet tall. When is the party? When is the party? On Tuesday. On Tuesday. Why are you late? Why are you late? I got up late. I got up late. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? It's mine. It's mine. What now? What now? Let's have dinner. Let's have dinner. Who are they? Who are they? They are students. They are students. Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? I speak English. I speak English. Who drew my sister drew. My sister drew. Who is better? Who is better? The gold one. The gold one. How is business? How is business? Quite good. Quite good. When will you sleep? When will you sleep? I will sleep soon. I will sleep soon. How are you? How are you? Great. Great. When to go? When to go? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Where are you? Where are you? At home. At home. What is it? What is it? It's a table. It's a table. Who won? Who won? My friend won. My friend won. Why me? Why me? Because you can do. Because you can do. Where do you go? Where do you go? I go to a bank. I go to a bank. What's the matter? What's the matter? She went home. She went home. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more learning videos.